Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol.
Okay, made it to Madrid airport. Now I'm going to take the express bus to Madrid, to Atocha station. So just trying to figure out where that is. Okay, here it says bus, but I don't think it has the bus I'm looking for. I'm in Terminal 2. So just trying to figure out, and I thought the bus was 220 or 200. Okay, I think I figured it out. I think I have to go over here to catch the express bus. I think. Found the bus on the Atocha Express 203 bus to Atocha station in Madrid. Okay, I'm here. This is my little room. So you just walk in and it's a twin bed little room. Has a TV, a bed, a twin bed, little light. I have a window that I can open. I guess it's the courtyard. Place to hang. Here I am. There's my backpack. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm here. I'm in Madrid. This is my little washroom. I have a private little washroom and my little shower. And I'll be here for 2 days until Monday morning. Okay, first meal, I'm gonna have some beef cheeks with a Coke Zero and some olives. Okay, the beef cheeks, the smell is incredible. Good morning. It's 7:30 in Madrid. Just got up. Yesterday was a great day, good travel day. No hiccups, flights were great. So the cost for yesterday, not including the hotel, was 28 euros. It was 5 euros for the airport bus. And then I had the beef cheeks were 19 euros. The entrance to the Reina Sofia was free. And then I had a pistachio ice cream, which was 4.50 euros. The cost for the hotel room was 170 for the 2 nights, and then I opted to grab breakfast this morning, so that's what I'm heading off to now. And after breakfast, I'm gonna go, I want to go to Decathlon to see if I can get some hiking pole tips, and also I have a walking tour at 11:30. I'm doing that, and then the Royal Palace in the afternoon. Check in with you later.
Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Quiero, baby. Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Te quiero. Dime, baby, ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Dame tu amor, dame tu amor, dame tu amor, tu amor, tu amor. Dame tu amor, dame tu amor, dame tu amor, tu amor, tu amor.
Okay, recap of today. Today the total spent was 78 euros and 38 cents. That's including the $10 I paid for breakfast. Then I bought some sunscreen. I went to Decathlon and got the little things to put on the poles. This was $3.99. What else? So I had breakfast and then I didn't have like lunch until 4 o'clock, and that was $24. 24 euros, which I had black rice, which is rice and it has the ink of the squid, which makes it black, and it was very delicious and totally worth it. And then I did the Royal Palace, which was 12 euros. And then I went for churros, which was 5 euros and 50 cents. Am I forgetting anything? No, that's all. Yep, so that's it. Tomorrow I am off catching the 7:30 train to Pamplona, and then I'm on the, I think it's 12:30 bus to Saint Jean Pied de Port. So that will come tomorrow. You guys have a good night.